Today, Avast is happy to announce the release of their Avast Secure Browser. This replaces the Safe Zone browser. Many new features and better ways to help keep you secure while you're on the internet are some of the important features of the Avast Secure Browser. These features are very easy to turn on and off so you can get just the right mix of privacy, security, and speed. The Avast Secure Browser's built-in privacy feature hide your identity and cover your data footprint so no one can track you. It's also built for speed and automatically blocks annoying ads, faster browsing, and no interruptions. The Avast Secure Browser contains all the security features you need to stop malware, phishing scams, and identity theft. Easy to reach Security and Privacy Center makes it easy to customize this browser to exactly your needs. Why not install it and give it a try?